Introducing Robopod, the truly affordable, ultimately configurable robotic solution. Robopod offers manufacturers a simple and reliable route to improved efficiency and greater profitability. A compact and self-contained unit offering unrivaled performance, specifically designed to provide truly versatile robotic automation. Ultimately flexible, Robopod can be tooled and retooled incredibly quickly, with a multitude of accessories to handle everything from assembly, inspection and dispensing through to laser and ultrasonic welding and cutting, soldering, buffing and polishing, and even food handling, measuring and slicing with incredible accuracy. All fully configured and supported by the mechatronic team of automation engineers. Designed and refined to cater for every sector of manufacturing, with the stainless steel version being specifically developed for the medical, pharmaceutical and food processing industries. Easily affordable, Robopod is available to purchase outright, lease or hire, supplied, configured and maintained by Mechatronic Solutions, one of the UK's leading automation integrators with over 25 years experience in robot-assisted manufacturing. To discover how Robopod can help your business, call our engineering sales team now.